IQD to VND. Latest updates on Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong. Hey everyone, welcome back to IQD to VND. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. We're aiming for 300 subscribers by the end of March. I'm so glad to have you here today. If you're new, a warm welcome. This is the place where we bring you the latest updates, expert insights, and detailed discussions on the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, the Vietnamese Dong, VND, and major global financial developments. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on crucial updates and in-depth analysis. Today's discussion is packed with exciting insights into both the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong, along with Iraq's latest economic progress. So, get comfortable, grab your coffee, and let's jump right in. Will the Vietnamese Dong revalue before the Iraqi Dinar? Lately, there's been a lot of talk about whether the Vietnamese Dong might revalue before the Iraqi Dinar. Many of you have been asking about this, and it's a great question. While both currencies have potential for appreciation, let's analyze their current trajectories. Right now, Iraq's progress in monetary policy, economic stability, and financial reforms suggests that the dinar is on track to appreciate first. While the Vietnamese Dong also shows promise, Vietnam's economic growth hasn't yet reached the point where a significant revaluation seems imminent. That said, Vietnam has introduced key economic and political reforms aimed at boosting its currency value in the long run. If these policies prove successful, we could see the Vietnamese Dong strengthen over time. But for now, the IQD appears to have a stronger position due to Iraq's ongoing monetary reforms and efforts to stabilize its financial market. Vietnam's economic reforms and their impact on the Dong Vietnam is actively working to strengthen its economy by opening its markets and introducing major financial reforms. These efforts could increase the value of the Vietnamese Dong over time. However, despite this progress, the Iraqi Dinar remains ahead in terms of immediate potential for appreciation. Iraq is making solid economic advancements, especially in controlling inflation, stabilizing the currency, and reducing foreign influence on its financial system. These are critical factors that could drive the dinar upward before the Dong experiences a similar rise. Iraq's economic progress and currency stability. Iraq's economic policies continue to move in a positive direction, despite geopolitical challenges. One of the major obstacles has been Iran's influence over Iraq's political and financial systems. However, as Iraq strengthens its independence and reduces reliance on external factors, we can expect further improvements in its economy and currency value. Reports from the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, confirm that steps toward currency revaluation are well underway. However, the process is complex, and global factors, especially U.S. policies, play a crucial role. As long as Iran remains a dominant force in the region, the U.S. is unlikely to fully support Iraq's economic liberation. But with ongoing reforms, this situation could change in the near future. Positive signs for the Iraqi Dinar. One of the strongest indications of Iraq's financial recovery is the steady appreciation of the Iraqi Dinar against the U.S. dollar. While we haven't seen a dramatic spike yet, the gradual increase is a positive signal. If Iraq continues on this trajectory, the IQD could see a significant boost in value over the coming months. Iraq's inflation rate drops, a big win for the economy. Inflation has been a major issue for Iraq, as it has been for many countries. However, recent data is very encouraging. Iraq has successfully reduced its annual inflation rate from 4% to 2.8%, and its long-term inflation rate, core inflation, has also dropped from 4.5% to 2.5%. This is a huge achievement Because lower inflation means check increased purchasing power for Iraqi citizens, check more stability in prices, and economic conditions check a stronger, more predictable financial environment. Looking back at Iraq's inflation history, we can see that in 2022, inflation was at 5%, and in 2023, it peaked at 6.6% due to global crises and exchange rate fluctuations. However, with the recent decline, Iraq is on track to achieve long-term stability. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, predicts a slight rise in Iraq's inflation rate to 3.5% in 2025, but it is expected to decline to 3% by 2029. This controlled, steady inflation rate is critical for Iraq's economic recovery and currency strength. 2025 Iraqi budget. What you need to know. One of the biggest financial topics in Iraq right now is the 2025 national budget. Iraqi lawmakers have expressed frustration over delays in its approval. Moon al-Azmi, a member of the Parliamentary Finance Committee, has urged the Ministry of Finance to expedite the process, as delays impact government performance. The good news? The budget is expected to be approved soon, and once finalized, it will be a major milestone for Iraq's economy. A well-structured budget signals economic confidence and commitment to reforms, which could attract more foreign investments. With lower inflation, improved currency stability, and continuous economic progress, Iraq is positioning itself for a stronger financial future. The bigger picture: Iraq's economic transformation. It's not just about waiting for the Iraqi dinar to increase in value, it's about recognizing Iraq's broader economic transformation. The country is making strategic moves to stabilize its economy, strengthen its currency, and attract international investors. Here's what to watch for in the next few years. Continued decline in inflation. Stronger IQD stability. Approval of key economic policies. Further reduction in foreign influence over Iraq's economy. As Iraq continues on this path, we could see major financial improvements that could lead to a long-awaited rise in the dinar's value. Final thoughts. What do you think? Before we wrap up, I just want to thank each and every one of you. Your support, insightful comments, and thoughtful questions mean the world to me. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe and share this video with anyone interested in IQD, VND, and global financial updates. Let's keep the conversation going. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think the Iraqi dinar will appreciate before the Vietnamese Dong? What are your predictions for Iraq's economy in 2025? I'd love to hear your insights. Thank you again for being part of this journey. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, take care. I'm Hussein, and this is IQD to VND. See you in the next video.